Here we come to the elevator at REI. It's a Schindler. Going down to store re-leveled. This is awesome. Another 330A. This for my friends at Schindler Elevator Corporation. Go to 2 because M is a employee's level. Not going up there. See if there's anyone coming up. We'll have to wait these buttons pressed. Go to 2. Door closes outward at Schindler. Number 1's the freight elevator. Pretty nice elevator, especially the flooring in here. Surprisingly enough, M is unlocked. Here it is. Yeah. All right, guys. That's it.